Nĩkuo aruti wĩra a tene a nduka cia uchumi mambĩkĩte mĩrũrũngano magĩkinyĩra kĩhoto kĩao. Aruti wĩra aya marauga thutha wa nduka nyingĩ cia uchumi kũhingwo matiarĩhirwo mĩcara yao yothe.
Hii kampuni ilituachisha kazi kama staff, so tumekuwa tumengoja, hakuna response, ni mabarua tu tuko nayo kwa mkono.
Tumekuwa tukipush for our dues tulipwe, alafu tulikuwa tumefanya for more than 8 months bila kulipwa na kwa unyenyekevu mwingi.
Just like 25 of us, but the number is much, around 600 plus. We are demanding close to about 600 million that Uchumi owes.
Maugĩte makoretwo magĩthĩnĩka matari na wa kũmatetera.
Lakini hakuna mtu anajitokeza, hata manager wa uchumi hajaitana hata mkutano hata siku moja kusema ya kwamba anataka kuongea na sisi former staffs ambayo walifanya kazi for that long na hawakuweza kulipwa.
Kuna wenye wamekufa sababu maybe ni stress na wajabifikia hii pesa. So leo tukaona wacha tukuje tuongee na hii management, tusikie kama watatuambia maneno ya hizo pesa zetu, watulipe sababu tuko nje hatuko kazi.
Kulikuwa na some arrangements through the CFA, but because tuko kotini, the court gave us the ruling how Uchumi should pay the workers. What I would like to tell the Uchumi management, they should abide with the ruling.
Mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa nduka ici Lawrence Ngao nĩeranĩire atĩ nĩmegũkorwo makĩrĩhwo mĩcara, akĩmoria magĩe na wetereri.
What I would request is give the company time to be able to pay your debt. And we are working towards that. Each and every single. We did it on our own volition. I made that proposal.
Oho akiuga nĩgũkoretwo na mĩbango ya gũkinyanĩria mĩcara kũrĩ arĩa othe kambuni ĩno ĩrĩ na thirĩ wao.
In case the company starts making money, okay, as we wait for that Kasarani property to be sorted, as the company starts making money, we'll be looking at the end of the year, we'll be looking at how much money have we made, and we start paying all the unsecured creditors.
Honge nyingĩ cia uchumi ciambĩrĩirie kũhingwo mwaka-inĩ wa 2018. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, Getu Wangari Maria wa Mũigana.